Hey, YouTube, it is your girl, Miss Brandy1525, and I am coming in at y'all today with a video just to show y'all this week's hairstyle. For those of y'all that are on the challenge with me, we are doing no heat, and retaining our length. So this is this week's hairstyle. It is French braids, y'all. My hair is French braided. I don't know if y'all can see that. Up on both sides, and then it's just all the excess hair braided into a braid in the back. And I just left this out, and as you can see by the texture, I braided up at night in order to get a little crinkly look. If I'm going somewhere, I will take it down. If I'm not going nowhere, I don't take it down. How do I maintain it? I braid this up, I put a roller on the end, and I spray my braids with a mixture of water, Jamaican black castor oil, water, Jamaican black castor oil, and olive oil in a spray bottle, and that's all I do. I spray it every, I'll say maybe 2 days, and keep it tied down at night so that my braids ain't fuzzy. And this is the hairstyle. So yeah, y'all, just coming in to share a styling option with y'all, just so that you have options while on this journey. And you can see my daughter with her hair all out next to me. Come on, poo-poo.
Stop closing it, man.
I'm sorry. Yeah, so anyway, and this is Bubby. Y'all know that
Every time.
they have to get in my video every time. So yeah, y'all, French braids is a wonderful option, especially for the summer. Get that hair French braided up. It's cool. It's definitely cool. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section, and I'll definitely get back to you. Mwah! Be beautiful, divas.